The most downloaded mobile game of the decade, Subway Surfers. I'm gonna remake it for PC with Unreal Engine and stunning visuals. Or at least, I think so. Let's start with a simple prototype. Hire a mannequin to run, throw some animations at him, and mix it together. Looks good, but not perfect yet. Fire a mannequin, hire a guy. Summon a devil with some more animations. Perfect. Teach a guy how to roll and turn. Find some bugs. Fix some bugs. Broke everything. Fix everything. Time to add obstacles. This should be good for now. I have implemented a way to combine obstacles together into one chunk. Make several chunks. Make a simple script to spawn them infinitely. Be glad to find no bugs. Find a critical one. Remake the whole movement system. Doesn't work. Fix it with a simple script. I mean, this one. Be glad to find no bugs. Finally. Gonna make some cool physics-based death. Now, jokes aside, I improved movement system and made it possible to force a landing just like an original game. Anyway, prototype is done. Let's make it beautiful. I recorded 84 hours of level design. Hope you enjoy. I made 4 different city chunks. A railway station thing, a huge bridge thing, a tunnel thing, and an actual city street thing. Let's mix them together. Pretty cool, but still boring. Gonna fix it with dynamic camera. Much better now. Let's change obstacles to something reasonable. Definitely looks much interesting. But still has some bugs. Suddenly, old obstacles generator doesn't work with new world chunks. It offenses me. Made new one. Failed. Now I'm angry. Let's remake it once more. New obstacles generator is done. I also added some cars, trains, and found out that jumping on a moving train is a bad idea. Who knew? There are different sets of obstacles for every world chunk. Some garbage for a bridge chunk, cars for a city chunk, and trains for a station and tunnel chunks. Decided to improve death animation, made GTA 6 by accident. My mom told me that something is wrong when your game over screen is better than the game itself. Made a new start screen. Kind of. And high score. So you can play for an actual reason, if a number at the end of the game is an actual reason for you. Also added some music and sounds. Enjoy! So you wanna ask me, how does it feel to suck in my own game? It's fine. Jokes aside, thank you very much for watching. If you wanna give it a try, I will upload the game on my itch.io, so you can download it using the link in the description. Also consider to follow me on Twitter for new videos inside. And make sure to join our Discord community to interact with me, watch some pictures of my cat, and win some pixels in our weekly events. Finally, if you wanna support me in my work, you can do it with Patreon. You will also get an access to source files of my projects and other perks. And from the bottom of my heart, I wanna give a special thanks to all my Patreon supporters. And as always, see you next time.